Okay, everybody, let's go. Page 209, Janie. Okay, before we start, guys, I want your full attention to this short video because I noticed that when we were taking the test, the pre-test right now, we still have some questions about figurative and literal language. Okay, remember, sometimes when we're reading something, we're not supposed to take things as they are. So this is the short video for. I want your full attention right now, and then we're going to discuss it. Actually, we have some exercises in here, okay? Let's go.
We are talking about figurative versus literal language. So, what is figurative language, you ask? Figurative language is when you use a word that does not have its normal, everyday, literal meaning. Here are some examples of figurative language. First is raining cats and dogs.
When we have this, first, our attention here. Okay, when we have this expression, it's raining cats and dogs, we already know it as something different, which is an idiom for the ones that are going to Doctor Strange. Have you talked about idioms already, Jenny? Okay, so this is going to be an idiom. That means that this is not supposed to be taken like we have literally cats and dogs coming from the sky. What would that mean? It's like what? It's pouring hard. It's like thunder. Come again? Hail. Okay, could be. Let's take a look.
You might think it looks something like this, but actually it's just raining really hard.
Very good,
Another
guys.
example is it's 1,000 degrees outside. No, or
1,000 degrees. Take a look. It's 1,000 degrees outside. How do we call this when we use figurative language? Come again? It's really hot. Yeah, that is the meaning. That is the actual literal meaning. That is really hot. But when we talk about figurative language, how do we call this? Which is a big exaggeration. Could we actually survive 1,000 degrees? Who can? Oh my God. A hyperbole. Remember, a hyperbole is going to be an exaggeration. Normally for either dramatic purposes or comic purposes. Let's go.
a scorched planet. It's just really hot. There are different types of figurative language. These include similes, metaphors, hyperboles, personification, alliteration, idiom, and onomatopoeia.
Let's see what we remember. Simile. What is the simile? Because Gordo, you know what simile is because you answered that correctly. What is a simile? Once again, comparing. Actually, that would be the opposite. Comparing using the words like and as. Very good. Now, the metaphor. Metaphor is actually what Gordo just mentioned, which is comparing two things without using those words, like or as. Okay. Hyperbole. Phoebe already mentioned that, so Phoebe, don't say it. What is a hyperbole, guys? We just saw it right now. An exaggeration. Very good. Mafata. Personification. What is that? Okay, somebody's using the resources. Thank you. Yes. Giving human qualities to human things. Okay, who can give me an example of that? Somebody that is not Phoebe right now. Thank you, Phoebe. Actually, Phoebe, choose somebody who can give me an example of personification. Jaya, there you go. Come on, Jaya. Think of giving human qualities to something that is non-human. Hmm. Could be. Let's put it in actual something that we can work. Could be a pencil. But again, give this pencil the qualities of a human. Or a dog. Okay, but how, Victor? Come on. But again, how? Give me a sentence when you're actually giving a dog the qualities of a human. What can humans do? Come again? The dog is brushing his teeth. Not precisely. It can work, but remember, personification is, for example, oh, that dog over there is judging me. Have you seen a dog that even it means that the dog is looking at you and that dog is judging me? Can a dog actually judge somebody? No, we're using personification in order to transmit an idea. Okay? In this case of the dog is brushing his teeth, could be in a fable or in a fairy tale, but that can work. But yes. Come again? The wind. Hey, I want your full attention in here. Zahara is trying to tell us something. The wind is whispering in my ear. Is that a correct example of personification? Of course it is. Very good. Somebody else? Come on. Go ahead. Okay, my dog judges my brother. So, for example, every single time my wife throws the ball at my cat, and she has terrible aiming, trust me, our cat looks at her like, man, you're a deception. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, good idea. Anybody else? Mafata. Come again? The paper what? Flying towards the sky. Okay, yeah, very good. Very good. Now, alliteration. Who can remind alliteration? Yes. Remember that the phrase is going to have the same consonant sounds at the beginning. Okay, remember, she sells seashells by the seashore. This is going to have an effect. You actually saw an example of alliteration in the text, right? Really? Peter Piper pecked a pick of peppers. Yes, very good. Yep. Okay, it's kind of like a tongue twister. Idiom. We already saw an idiom. What is an idiom? Okay, here. What is an idiom? Jenny, you can tell me that. A group of words that they are not going to have the same meaning or the literal meaning, but they need to be interpreted like something else. Okay, we can take that. Any other thing, Jenny? Okay, Jenny is out of the country right now. And the last one, onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? Yes, Kaylani. Okay, very. You have the idea. When we represent a sound, okay? Give me an example of an onomatopoeia. Victor. Yeah, meow. Yeah. What else? What? Louder? Nope. Remember, representing the sounds. He put like in a comic when you see a cat, sorry, and it says in a big globe, meow. Actually, it is. That's an onomatopoeia. Yes. Or in a comic book, kaboom. He heard a loud kaboom before entering the classroom. Imagine that classroom. What happened? A what? Mm, pow. Okay, a pow. Not right now. Okay.
Don't worry about memorizing all those right now. We're going to learn more about that later. Okay, so what is literal language?
We saw that figurative language doesn't actually mean what it's saying, right? Now, exactly.
Literal language means exactly what it says and nothing more. Now for some examples of literal language. First, it is raining hard. Literally means it is raining really hard. The second one, it is a warm day. You notice it says exactly what it means. Now let's decide, is it figurative or literal?
Okay, I need your participation here. Talk to your partner for 30 seconds. Talk to your partner. Shamaya, wake up from the bed. Or talk to your inner voice. Now, I'm adding a little twist in here. Okay? Yes, you need to tell me if it's literal or figurative. And if it's figurative, what type of figurative language device is used in here? Okay. Yes, we got it. Thank you, Ryan. The ice cream was calling my name. So, what is this, literal or figurative? Leila? Figurative. And now, let's see. Adrian, what kind of figurative language device is using here? Alliteration, onomatopoeia, personification, metaphor, simile. Don't spoil it, my friend. Don't spoil the fun. Adrian? Personification. Why? I'm not saying that he's wrong. I'm just asking why. And guys, we need to get used to this. Most of the questions always require a why. Why are you choosing this? And sometimes, yeah, we got the idea. Okay, we know it. We even use things without knowing why. But that is the purpose in here. Getting to know the why. Why am I using this? So Adrian says that this is personification. And of course it is. Very good, Adrian. Who can help me with the why? Sahara. Yeah, because the ice cream doesn't talk, cannot speak, of course.
What do you think? Can ice cream really call your name? No, that makes it figurative. I wanted to eat the ice cream.
That would be literal. Can a burger call your name? Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Ah, okay.
That's the literal one.
Yeah, let me check it.
Now you know the difference between figurative language and literal language.
So in the story that you read for the pretesting here, was all about figurative or literal language? The story about Maya. Figurative. Yes, a lot of figurative language. Good. But now let's go and analyze page 209. Let's go. That would be a good example. That would be an onomatopoeia. Bark, bark is how you're writing the sound. Yeah, that would be an onomatopoeia. Yep. Click, clickety, clackety. That would be what? No, onomatopoeia. That's it. Don't give the compliment. Okay, let's go. Page 209. There we have a question that I'm trying to predict in here, but it's taking forever. Who can tell me in quick start what is the question? Jaya, perfect. Thank you. Yes, please.
Think about how a drought might affect the farmer. Jot down ideas and then discuss with your group. 209?
Yes, page 209. Ready? So, it says, Jaya told us, think about how a drought might affect a farmer. Jot down ideas and then discuss them with your group. Hurry up, guys. Take a little piece of paper that you have. Otherwise, come and get a post-it. I'm going to give it to you. Write down how a drought can affect a farmer. Yeah, I'm going to give it to you guys. Yeah, take a look. How a drought can affect a farmer. Put your name on it. Actually, my friend, if you have to, but right now we have something to do. What? Write it down. Write it down. You're going to read it. Yes, please. You have the question in Quick Start. There you go, Gordo. There you go, Cesar. Shamaya, you promised me one good week. Let's continue. Okay, come on, guys. Once again, think about how a drought might affect a farmer. Oh, very good question. But take a look. Actually, the text is telling us that already. It says, the poem you're about to read explores a farmer's response to a drought, a long time without rain. How this long time without rain can affect the farmer. Think about it. Come on. Jot it down quickly. Once again, how this long period without rain can affect the farmer. Yes, Shamaya?
Can I use the D word? What? D-I-E? The D word?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Yeah, you can. Yes.
It can make the plants dry up and die because it needs water.
It can make, okay, we'll start checking some of the answers. Your name. We'll start checking some of the answers. If you want me to share, just give it to me. I can read it. Okay, so the first one that we have, thank you. It can make the plants dry up and die because it needs water. Good. Okay, hurry up. Give me your papers. If you're done, raise your hand. If you're done, raise your hand. If you had your book, Shamaya, that would be very useful. Can I read it, Phoebe? Can I read it? Phoebe says, a drought might affect a farmer by them not getting money because they have nothing to grow. And that is perfect. Very good. Then Jenny, how can, oh my God, what does it say? How can affect the farmer is how the vegetables can get rolling and the flowers can, how are the vegetables going to roll? But okay, perhaps help me understand that because that might be something useful. But definitely the flowers can die. That's for sure. Okay. Yes, Gordon. Then we have Cytorian. The crops might die. The crops can grow. The crops can dry up. And can get food to feed their family. Good. Robert says a drought would affect the farmer by not letting the farmer water plants. Very good. So Maya, do you have yours? Okay, Caesar says with the drought, the crops could die. That fast? Huh? Die out fast. Good. Amal, can I read it, Amal? Amal says the farmers need the rain for their plants. Without the rain, they won't be able to grow their crops. Awesome. Yes. Layla, the farmers' crops would be flooded and would take longer to grow. Yeah, I guess the meaning of the drought was not clear in here. How can crops get flooded if there's no rain? Somebody. Shema says the food rotten and die because it will not grow with no water. Okay, we can understand that. Ladies and gentlemen, please start taking your stuff. We're about to switch. You know how to line up. Thank you so much. We continue tomorrow. Can I read it? Samaya says a drought can affect the farmer because the plants can dry out and die. Good. Let me give you a pass, but please remind him that he needs to let us know, because otherwise, guys, that is a mess.